Hello and welcome to my term project, The Last Stand. It is a zombie survival game where you have to survive as many waves of zombies as you can. For 2-player, you can play against each other where one is Naruto and one is a big zombie. For single player, press new game. On the bottom left you can see 2 blue bars. Those are ammunition. Once I'm out of it, I can't shoot anymore. I have to go pick up these white bulbs. Okay, from wave 2 you can see different types of zombies. Regular zombies, those zombies with more health, these zombies that are faster. Oh no. Once the walls are breached, I can fix them with a press of a button. Okay, he got through. From wave 3, every 3 waves you can choose to either upgrade your blaster or get a teammate. I'm going to show you the blaster quickly. These blasters bounce off each other recursively so that they just keep splitting with every hit of a zombie like that. Oh, that was a good example. Okay, now for the teammate upgrade. Pressing teammate upgrade gets you a teammate that shoots randomly. He might seem useless, but as you can see, his bullets bounce off walls until they hit a zombie, so he's not that useless. Once the walls are breached, the zombies go after my teammate first, which is incredibly helpful. Okay, to show you 2-player, in 2-player, like I said, player 2 controls the big zombie. He can't force the zombie to go left faster, but he can move up and down and try to dodge player 1's blasters. And the big zombie can summon little minions that attack with him. The big zombie can't break walls by himself, but his minions can. And we'll see who wins. Yep. This is the game, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video.